Hi, I'm Tom D and I want to show you how to do the git squash using the rebase strategy. First, I am cloning the example repository where I am having the one file, which is readme file. Using VI tool, I'm opening the readme file and editing the content of that file. This is testing one. Write it and quit. Git add readme to add the file to the git, and git commit -m. This is first commit as a commit message. Now again open the file vi readme. This is testing 2. Again save it. Git add readme, git commit, slightly different message. This is second commit. Now in git log there are 2 commits visible from the local repository, vi and third change. Now git add readme, git commit with another message. This is last commit. Finally, in log I can see 3 commits. Now the task is to squash them into one commit. So for that I'm typing git rebase -interactive mode and head ~3. Here, for those I want to squash, S. The second and last commit will be squashed, like melted into the first commit. Now specify the commit message that will be used for all the commits. Here it's good to make some change number and the commit. This usually will be the tracker for the change for all the commits. This is implementation of new function. Now save it and clear and check the git log. Now only one commit is visible instead of 3.